You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you say this interesting word? This is the past tense or past participle of the verb to leap, but surprisingly, it's not said leaped. The spelling suggests it should be said leaped, right? But it's pronounced as leapt. It's a bit like the verb read, read, right? It's spelled R-E-A-D, but sometimes you pronounce it as read. Same here, leapt, leapt. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.